My name is Vishwanath Mallabadi and I'm from Davangere, Karnataka. So I have been doing this amazing transformation of e-waste into art from almost 2 decades. See, my journey, I started as a videographic artist. I worked for NDTV for almost 8 years. Then I moved into IT field in 1990. I was very lucky to have the thorough understanding of software development. I was also part of UI UX team in Nokia, Finland. Survival, you need to do some job. Like I was working for Wipro. No? That was my profession. This I never thought of. Like I'll become eco artist. This is after retirement. This is actually second inning. I got so much of recognition and appreciation from all over the world, especially in Netherlands, Europe, and lot of products I sold it to US and other places. They appreciated this kind of stuff. My wife, she is a doctor. Creating all these sculptures, you know a lot of power tools. So my interest for electronics is from almost 40 years back. I started as a you must be knowing Amateur Radio Association. So I was part of that, creating transceivers. So that is how I got a lot of experience in electronics, like creating products out of something like a very innovative kind of thing, creating design products, electronic gadgets and all those things. When you understand electronics thoroughly, each and every part you know, and then I am a professional artist. My father is a renowned sculptor and painter, so being in the artist family, I was enjoying using this different kind of texture and colors and form, shapes. So I am trying to make fusion out of it, technology and art. Music plays a very important role in visualization. So automatically the ideas, something is like sparks. E-waste, one very good thing is these are very cheap material. If you try to buy oil color, acrylic paint and all, it's very expensive thing. See, all the youngsters, I have been working with a couple of young individuals. See, patience is very, very important. If I already succeeded making some very interesting sculptures, murals out of this. This I would be needing lakhs or tons. In our face, there is a contour lines. If you just try to make it very geometrical, for example, horizontal or vertical, it will not look good. There should be a rhythm, and then the line should give more harmonious the outcome. Those things. Each part is designed very meticulously, like the spacing, what kind of the spaces are available, how it will work, how all the mechanism. There is a lot of things involved. Made out of, there is a inside hardest, there is a head which made that. These are all displayed.